Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain what is YouTube TV's Zen channel. So if you need a break from the noise, YouTube TV's Zen channel is here to help you out with it. So it's a 24/7 relaxation channel featuring peaceful landscapes, soothing sounds and calming visuals that are perfect for unwinding. It starts with as Zen moments during ad breaks, but in December 2024, YouTube TV made it a full-time channel due to high demand. So whether you are stressed, meditating, or just need a mental reset, the Zen channel is your escape. So if you want to try it, you just have to simply come on YouTube TV, and here you need to simply search for a Zen channel, and then you just have to simply start using it. If you are not able to find it for any reason via the search option, you can just simply type this URL, and then you will be redirected on this page where you can click on any of the lives over here and you can just relax with it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.